Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue egg whites. To begin, select fresh eggs and allow them to reach room temperature. This helps achieve maximum volume. It is absolutely crucial that your mixing bowl and whisk are impeccably clean and free of any grease, as fat prevents the whites from whipping properly. Carefully separate the egg whites from the yolks, ensuring not even a tiny speck of yolk contaminates the whites. This foundational step is key to a successful, airy meringue. Once your egg whites are ready, begin whipping them on a medium speed. You'll notice them transform from clear liquid to a light, foamy consistency. This is your cue to start incorporating the sugar. Gradually add superfine sugar, about 1 tablespoon at a time, while the mixer continues to run. This slow addition helps the sugar dissolve properly. Keep whipping until the meringue forms soft, glossy peaks that gently curl at the tip when you lift the whisk. Now it's time to achieve those perfect stiff peaks. Increase your mixer speed to high and continue whipping the meringue vigorously. You'll see the mixture become much thicker and incredibly glossy. When you lift the whisk, the meringue should stand up straight and firm without drooping. An important check is to rub a tiny bit of meringue between 2 fingers. If it feels smooth, the sugar is fully dissolved. If not, whip for another minute or 2. With your stiff-peaked meringue ready, you can now gently fold in any desired flavorings, perhaps 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a touch of lemon zest. Be careful not to deflate the air you've worked so hard to incorporate. Next, pipe or spoon your meringue onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Finally, bake your meringues at a very low temperature, typically around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 1 to 2 hours until they are crisp and dry.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.